Your team may forget. Our AI won't follow up keeps everyone on track.
This tutorial explains how to locate the status of tasks within TrueAIWork. You will learn to navigate through task views and filters to identify task statuses effectively. Click the All Tasks option to display the complete list of tasks available in TrueAIWork, providing a comprehensive overview of your assignments. Click the Group filter to organize tasks by categories, which helps in narrowing down the task list based on grouping criteria. Click the Status option to filter tasks according to their current progress or state, enabling you to focus on tasks by their status. Click the section showing Assigned to Me, My Tasks, All Projects, and Status filters to view tasks assigned to you along with their statuses and priorities. You have successfully located task statuses by navigating through task views and applying group and status filters in TrueAIWork. This allows you to monitor and manage your tasks efficiently.